Wrong order at the restaurant. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
this is not my order.
Oh, really? I am sorry.
I ordered a chicken sandwich.
Let me check. You are right. This is a mistake.
It's okay. These things happen.
I will fix it right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Do you want to keep this plate?
No, thank you. I don't eat fish.
I understand. I will bring a new plate.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Your sandwich will be ready in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. Meeting a friend. Hi, Emma. It is so nice to see you today.
Hi, Mark. I am happy to see you too.
How are you doing this morning?
I am doing very well, thank you.
The weather is really beautiful today.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and the sky is blue.
Do you have any plans for today?
Not yet. I am thinking about going for a walk.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes, I would love to join you.
Great. Let's walk to the park together.
Perfect. I know a nice path near the lake.
That sounds lovely. Let's go now.
Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I am trying to find the train station.
The train station is not far from here.
That is good to hear. How do I get there?
Walk straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks. What then?
Then turn left at the big yellow building.
Turn left at the yellow building. I understand.
After that, the station is right in front of you.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip.
I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye now.
Talking with the neighbor. Good afternoon, Sarah. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Mark. I am doing well. Thank you.
Your plants are looking very healthy this week.
Thank you. I water them every morning.
That is a great habit to have.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am visiting my sister on Saturday.
That sounds like a lovely plan.
What about you? Any plans for the weekend?
I am going to relax and read a book.
That sounds very peaceful and nice.
Yes, I really need some quiet time.
Well, enjoy your weekend, Sarah.
Thank you. You enjoy yours too.
Buying coffee.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I would like a large coffee, please.
Would you like milk and sugar with that?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
Would you like that hot or cold?
Hot, please. It is a bit cold outside.
Of course. That will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
Here is your latte.
Thank you so much. This smells wonderful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your cafe.
A question for the teacher.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Emma, what is it?
I have a question.
Okay, ask me.
I don't understand the homework.
Which part is difficult?
This sentence, here.
Let me see. Ah, I understand now. This word means quickly.
Oh, now I understand.
Good job, Emma.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Keep going. Buying something at a shop. Excuse me, I am looking for a gift.
What kind of gift do you need?
A gift for my friend's birthday.
We have nice cups and small books.
I like this blue cup.
That is a very popular choice.
How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
Okay, I will take it.
Would you like a gift box?
Yes, please, that would be nice.
Here is your gift, all ready.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Weather talk and plans. The weather looks a little cloudy today.
Yes, I think it might rain later.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not yet. Do you have an idea?
We could go to the museum on Saturday.
That sounds like a great idea.
We could also have lunch after that.
Yes, let's do that.
What time is good for you?
Maybe 11 in the morning.
Perfect. That works for me too.
I am excited for the weekend now.
Me too. It will be fun.
Let's check the weather before we go.
Yes, let's do. A small problem at home. Oh no, I cannot find my keys.
What is wrong, Mark?
I think I lost my keys.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, but they are not there.
Did you check your hoodie pocket?
Wait, let me check again. Oh, here they are. Thank you.
I am happy you found them.
I was very worried for a moment.
That happens to everyone sometimes.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
You're welcome, Mark. Have a good evening.
Saying goodbye.
Today was a really nice day.
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
Thank you too, Emma.
I should go home now.
Okay, take care on your way home.
You too, Mark.
See you soon.
Yes, see you soon.
Have a good night.
Good night, Mark.
Sleep well.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.